Okay, I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so we're gonna unbox it. So I have bought this, and yes, it's open, but so if you guys like these, let me know in the comments because I'm figuring out what other stuff will work for my whatever you call it. I also have merch, and so we're just gonna unbox this now. So yes, I got these. You can get these on Amazon. Anyways, I don't know what that was, but these are really cool and I like them. So we'll just open this up. Hopefully they will not take the video down for giving the page to buy this, but I do like these. So they do come with the stuff on them already. I guess you can change those and put these guys on, whatever this is. So you got two of those. You got two mics here. You got the receiver. You got the charger to charge both. You got this. The clips that magnetize. Let's see. Let's take one out. Okay, I got. So they magnetize and you can turn it. You can turn these, which is really cool. You got this. I guess you can use. Oh, I didn't even see this before. So I guess you can put it in your computer and use it on your computer. And then you have the other one that turns into, if you have a older phone like the iPhone S5 or 5S or whatever it's called, or one of those, and they have the lightning cable. There you go. I mean, I have other mics, but apparently they don't, they do not, what's it called? They, they don't really work that well like these. I went far with these, and they worked even when I didn't have my phone with me. So I don't know how far these really go, but I went to the other side of my home and it worked perfectly fine. My old ones don't even do that. It's like the older mics that I have, they don't go very far. I think these go the farthest. So I will leave a link to these in the description for you guys.